Indian Army has deployed Pinaka and Smerch multiple rocket launcher systems at forward position near the China border to counter any threat arising across on the line of actual control. Pinaka weapon system is an autonomous rocket artillery system that can engage area targets up to 38 kilometers at mean sea level. At these altitudes, the ranges are enhanced significantly, which further augments the deep strike capability of the weapon system. A battery of 6 launchers of Pinaka can fire a salvo of 72 rockets in 44 seconds, thereby neutralizing an area of 1000 meter by 800 meter. Talking about the weapon system's deployed battery commander at the location, Lieutenant Colonel Sharath said, "The Pinaka weapon system is indigenous multi-rocket launcher system designed by Defense Research and Development Organization, and it is a state-of-art, completely autonomous weapon system which can engage targets up to 38 kilometers at mean sea level, and at higher altitudes, the ranges get significantly enhanced, which subsequently enhance our deep strike capability." Talking about the advantage of Pinaka and Smerch to India's firepower, he said, "The quick reaction time and the high accuracy of these weapon systems ensure delivery of a very high volume of firepower on critical and time-sensitive enemy targets in a very short time." The Smerch system is the longest-range conventional rocket system in Indian Army inventory, having a maximum range of 90 kilometers. A battery of 4 launchers can fire a salvo of 48 rockets in 40 seconds, neutralizing an area of 1,200 meter by 1,200 meter. Describing the features of the weapon system, the battery commander of Smerch, Major Srinath, said, "The launcher is a very potent weapon in the arsenal of Indian artillery. The weapon can fire up to a range of 90 kilometers, being based on a 10 by 10 Tatra. It's extremely mobile and there is no issue with mobility in any sort of terrain. There are 12 tubes in the cluster and it fires 12 rockets in a span of 40 seconds. Pinaka is named after the bow of Lord Shiva. Both these weapon systems, Pinaka and Smerch, are designed to fire a variety of ammunition, like high explosives and sub-munitions against area targets. The upgraded version of the Pinaka ammunition system is already on the production line and can fire up to a range of 75 kilometers with superior precision, which significantly enhances the existing capability many folds. The quick response and high accuracy of these weapon systems ensure the delivery of a large volume of fire against critical and time-sensitive enemy targets within a very short time." News Desk, Kaumudy Global.